How to delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete all your liked videos on YouTube in just few taps. So if you want to remove your likes from your all previously liked videos, here is the easiest way to do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as Manage All History. So simply tap on that. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the YouTube history. Now here, inside the YouTube history, at top you can see three tabs: History, Controls, and Interaction. So here simply tap on the Interaction tab. And now here, under the Interaction tab, simply scroll down and simply tap on Video Likes and Dislikes. And here, once you tap on it, on the new page, you will see a list of all the videos that you have liked. So here, to remove them, just tap on the small X icon at the top right of each item, and this will delete the like from that video. So here you can keep tapping on X to remove all liked videos one by one from this list, and it's fast and all done in one window. And that's it. That's how you can clear all liked videos on YouTube at once. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.